18 years is a long time. Coming home and so much had changed, it was like a minefield.
Because it's very difficult once you come out of prison and the whole system, the whole world's changed.
Exoneration is like this high, but there's so much more that comes after that.
We make sure they get medical care. Often they have terrible medical care while they're inside, if at all. Dental care is a big thing that we have to deal with. People really underestimate the power of a smile that feels confident. It's a lot of getting people to a place where they feel secure in a world that is completely different from when they went in. Hiring Rodney was a big highlight. We have not had anyone in the social work department who has been a part of the system.
I'm able to identify different stages that exonerated brothers and sisters are going through. I'm able to relate in that way because I've been through it myself, and I'm able to provide a comfort zone.
We're working with the Science and Research Department to develop a needs assessment and follow people who are newly released all the way to people who've been out for a long time. What we would like to do is offer a therapeutic retreat that offer different modalities that are not just talk therapy, but art and music.
When I think of the Innocence Project, I just think of hope. It's truly special to work somewhere where everybody is here for the same cause. It's fulfilling, even on the rough days.
Giving love comes from the love and support I was given. The Innocence Project, behind the scenes, this staff and this movement really cares.
The love and support that I've experienced with the Innocence Project, it's helped me through my walk.
The Innocence Project have changed my life.
The Innocence Project gave me life back.
And we are so grateful. Thank you.